The 2010 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, automatic climate control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.